What's up, guys? It's your girl, I'm back with another prank. So today, I'm in the locker room with my dear friend, Kiara. And today, we're going to be doing the replacing prank. So Kiara's going to come over here. She's going to act like she wants me like onto herself instead as I was going to get jealous and upset. And she probably will fight Kiara. But before she tries to fight Kiara's a little nervous. But before she tries to fight Kiara, I come with the camera like, ta-da! It's a prank. But I'm going to act like this is a vlog. So let's get it started, man. So basically, it's the replacing prank. That's what I'm gonna call it. Replacing prank on sis. You know what I'm saying? Replacing prank on sis. Like I'm replacing her with this beautiful girl. Tori! What's up, guys? This is a Tori. Alright, I feel like we're vlogging or something. Okay? What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. How are you guys doing? I'm doing alright. And today we are just where's I? Oh. Today we are just vlogging. I already did our intro and all that stuff. Huh? Alright, wait 1 second. Living just too funny. Motion. Okay, wait. Oh my god. Because I told her to do something for me, so she wants to. Picking you out? Tell them it does. And tell them how you lost and how I get that out.
So we had a water challenge, and if you saw the video, we did the water challenge, and then I lost. And then whoever drank all their water, they'll have to get the attic, and then she got the attic. She put sparkling water instead of regular water. I didn't like it. Costco makes it sparkling water. Tori, get in the video.
Kiara, I wanted to show you our handshake that we just made up. Show it to the camera. I want them to see it. Hold it like sideways. Alright, scoot up, Kiara. Ready? Girl. Alright, ready, set, and go. Best friends!
I like it.
What else do you want? Let's go.
Take the
This is a vlog. I am sorry. I am so sorry.
So right now, Kiara and Megan made a handshake. It was good. It was really good. I love the jazz hands at the end. So comment down below, did you like the handshake? And then I'm gonna do a challenge where we had to you have to click the like button with a part of your body. So today's challenge.
Oh, you're not Brianna, sorry.
It's okay. So the challenge today is like the video with your nose. It's like Allison. So that's Allison, our burping crazy little Hispanic girl. Excuse me. Hey, sorry.
Did you just fart? Right when I came in?
I heard it. It sounded like. That's right.
Really, Amira.
Oh my god.
I'll be back.
Okay. So now, Kiara called Megan. Megan,
Can I ask you a question? Do you feel a little jealous? Your emotions seem a little jealous. Maybe a little. Well, this is the replacement. Yeah, we know. This is the replacement prank. So we try to prank you. It's like getting you jealous or something.
Sorry.
But that's the end of this prank. Thank you, Kiara, for helping me. And maybe we can be best friends in the future. But for now, her. But anyways, but she's still my friend.
Wait, I started this
You
game,
pointed
like,
at me.
where they try to do a challenge.
You pointed at me.
Like our video. So I told them to like their video with their nose.
Wait, you pointed at me.
Yeah, I'm everyone's friend. But
You told me.
that's it in this vlog.
Bye.
That's it, bye. Peace out, Parker family. Because we have to leave. Our dad is here. Peace out, Parker family.